Lately, I've been reflecting a lot, especially this year, about who I am, what type of work I want to do, and what does being a creator mean to me. I don't see myself as a YouTuber, influencer, or entrepreneur, even though my job entails all these different things. Every time someone asks me to describe what I do, I never really know what to say. Deep down, I see myself as an artist, but even then, I think of famous artists like Takashi Murakami or Vincent van Gogh, and then I can't even compare myself to their level. Maybe in order to help me figure it out, let me show you what I love to do. I have many interests. I love film, photography, tech. I love to create things with my hands. Most of all, I love to combine all these mediums to create something different and unique. Sometimes I'll go analog and grab some colored pencils and paper. Then I'll go digital and take a photo of that and turn it into a photograph to make it something new. Sometimes I'll want to make an image that's a hybrid of half photo and half video. My concepts can get a little crazy and a little messy, but at least I have an excuse to buy Yumi a Christmas hoodie and to sprinkle flour all over the kitchen floor. If I'm not shooting or editing a video, I'm writing up my ideas for the next one. There's never a day that goes by where I'm not thinking about what to make next. And the tools I use determine my workflow. As every creator knows, the workflow is a very personal and a very important part of art. The result is a beautiful thing, but the process should be too. For me, as you can see, I use a lot of different programs, sometimes all at the same time. And I need a system that could keep up with that. It was exciting when Dell told me about their new XPS 17 Creator Edition that had NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 2060 GPU. My programs ran without headaches. I used multiple layers in Photoshop, Premiere, and Resolve. Coloring on this laptop is accurate because it has sRGB 100% and Adobe RGB 100%. Not to mention this huge 17-inch touchscreen with small bezels to fit in multiple windows. If I'm feeling like I need a dose of nature, my work can come with me and it fits in my Peak Design 20-liter everyday bag. With minimal reflection, I could even see the screen in direct sunlight. So no need to avoid some inspiration that nature can bring you. When I'm back home and want additional screens for my windows, I just plug it into my 34-inch monitor. I often like to try new techniques, so I'll research some tutorials online, and these speakers make retaining information easy to hear. Not to mention, I'm always blasting it on full volume during breaks when I need to hype myself up. It gets really loud. Sorry, neighbors. As someone who's very visual, I thoroughly enjoy this carbon fiber palm rest, something I didn't think I needed until now. Lastly, the built-in SD card reader. I've missed you so much. So what does being a creator mean to me? Well, perhaps it's the evolution of who I am as expressed through my work. Perhaps it's about leaving a lasting impression in a world that's constantly changing. Perhaps being a creator is just about creating a space for yourself to just be present and in the moment. Whatever it is, it should stay exciting. And hopefully, I won't forget that along the way. Special thank you to Dell for sponsoring this video, and hopefully this will inspire you guys to keep doing your thing.